Hi guys, in this video we're going to be talking about one of the most overlooked and underrated tools you should have in your detailing garage, and as an added bonus you can also use it around the house. Hi guys, so welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name's Matt and this little fella here is Jeff, and today we're going to be looking at this tool here, the Bissell SpotClean Pro, and why I think it's possibly the most overlooked tool you should have in your detailing garage. So yeah, when it comes to detailing, then I think most people focus 90% of their attention on the exterior, and that kind of makes sense. That is what everybody sees. It's what you see when you go up to your car, and it's also the place that realistically is going to get the dirtiest the quickest. You know, wet vacuuming is something really you're only going to be doing once a year, once every 6 months on your own personal vehicle. If you're a professional detailer, I am in no doubt you've already got one of these in the unit anyway. This also comes in handy around the house as well, so we'll just quickly talk about it. As I say, this is the Bissell SpotClean Pro, and I've had this now for about a year. Picked this up on Amazon, I'll put a link below. With this you get obviously this unit, so you've got the dirty tank at the front and the clean solution at the back. So if we just spin it round, then at the back you literally just pull out this tank and then you unscrew this cap here and you fill to this line basically, and you can also add your cleaning product. Now with this, Bissell do give you some cleaning product that you can try anyway, or of course you can put in your own product. Now for me personally, I just like to apply the cleaning products myself from another bottle basically. But yeah, if you're looking at this video because you're using it around the house, that is where your cleaning solution goes. And then on the front, this is where the dirty water tank is. So literally just grab this handle, pull it up, it's like friction held in. And then to empty it, you literally just keep turning this and it feels like it's stopped there. Just give it a little bit more force and it'll go back, and the top of this just comes off, empty that out. Once you have done and you've emptied the dirty water, it's a good idea to fill it again with clean water and run the hose through that, and we'll quickly get onto that now. So as you can see, the form factor, it's quite a small unit. It doesn't take much space. As I say, if you're not watching this because you're into detailing and you're watching this because you want one around the house, this would live under the stairs, under the kitchen sink, or wherever it is you're going to keep it. So the hose, you've got quite a decent length hose, comes up nicely curled up on the side here, and we'll just unravel that. Actually, you've got a decent amount there to do what you need to do. Now, as you can see on here, let's wrap this back up. So as you can see on here, I've just got these small heads. So this comes with two different size heads. If I remember how to take this off, I think it's just, there we go, just pop that down. So this is a small detailed head. So if you're using this in the house, you'd probably use this on the stairs, maybe the arms of the armchair or something, just small areas where you just want to focus on a small bit. We've also got this attachment as well, which is a lot bigger, a lot wider, to do a greater area. In fact, I think this is probably twice as wide. Yeah, that's about twice as wide as this. 3 and 6 inch maybe. I'm not entirely sure. I'm not going to tape measure with me, but yeah, so you've got a couple of options there. Onto using it, then you just press this trigger here and that will jet out some water from there in front, and you can just scrub away with the brush that's already attached to this. And then to soak up the water, you tilt it at an angle, I'll show you in a moment, and just drag backwards and you'll see that come through. So yeah, it's a simple tool to use, and in fact I'll probably just show you a quick demonstration on how I've been using this, and again why I think you guys in the detailing industry should have one of these in your garage. So let's go and grab a seat out of the van. So with the seat out of the van then, I've got it all prepped. I'm just going to do one half to try and show before and after. So the product I'm going to be using is AutoSmart's BioBrisk. I absolutely love this stuff. I think it's mixed at 1 to 10. I can never remember what I do it at. So I've got a bottle of that there. And then we're going to be using a drill attachment. Now, if you are cleaning car seats and you're not a detailer, even if you are a detailer, you may not know this, don't oversaturate it. You don't want to get the foam under the fabric too wet. Otherwise, it's just going to take forever to dry out. So you just want to lightly spray the seat, and then we'll agitate it with a brush attachment, soak up a lot of the solution with the extractor, and repeat until you're satisfied with the results. It's also worth mentioning you might want to wear some ear protection. So I've got some headphones in because this thing is loud, just like most wet vacs. So yeah, let's quickly crack on and test this. So first of all, you just want to give the seat a brush down, get rid of most of the loose debris off there, or in fact you can give it a vacuum, but I only cleaned these last week, they just need a wet vac. And then spray over your cleaning product. So as I said, not too much, that should be enough. And then agitate with your brush attachment on the drill. And we'll go a little bit more. I might not have applied enough solution there. Usually it foams up when you know it's clean, or when it's working, should I say. That should be fine. Let's try that again. And then we'll see just how wet we've actually got this and extract it. So as you can see from this small test area then, that's just pulled a lot of dirty solution out, and you can in fact see it coming up through this head here. So as I say, when you're using this, if you're using this around the house, you can just tilt it back and scrub away, and then soak it up. You tilt the head forward and pull it back towards you, and that'll pull out all the dirty product, all the grime from out of the seats. So yeah, already that is looking far better. Let's reveal the 50/50 and just show you. And these feel dry because I've not oversaturated it. You could put them back in the car now and yeah, drive away. Top tip for you though, if you are doing this for a customer and you're quite new to this, try and do the seats early doors if you can. If it's a hot day, then they'll dry a lot quicker, but if you're doing them early doors, you've just got the entire day, however long it is, you've got the vehicle for. You've got as long as possible for them to dry. You don't want anyone getting a soggy bottom, basically. So yeah, let's have a quick look at the other half and just see how this performed. So hopefully you can see the difference already. It's just dust more than anything, but these little checkered squares here, they're back to white and these are slightly brown. Seat looks black again. I guess I should do the second half now. So I'll quickly do that and then we'll wrap this up. In fact, let's quickly show you. Let's get close in. So yeah, you can just see there the difference. Obviously dirty, clean. I don't really need to tell you that, but yeah, it's made a hell of a difference just doing that. And this is why I think wet vacs are quite underrated. If I just zoom out, it's going to create a weird effect on screen. Yeah, I think they are so overlooked and underrated. Everyone should have one. If I remember rightly, this thing costs around about 120, 130 pounds on Amazon. I'm not sure. As I say, I'll put a link below. Or check out Amazon Warehouse Deals, which is where I think I got this from for less than £100. But anyway, as I say, let's get the rest of this seat done and yeah, we'll wrap it up after. Boom, there we have it, a nice clean seat, just like it's never even been sat on. So happy to go put that straight back in the van now, and yeah, job's a good one. So there we have it then. That's why I think this little tool, particularly the Bissell SpotClean Pro with its small form factor, is often an overlooked and underrated tool. I think every detailer should have one of these in the garage, in the shed, wherever it is you keep your detailing tools. You should have one of these. Yes, there's an initial outlay of about £100, but you're going to get that money back. It's going to last you many, many years. And not only can you use it on the seats and the foot mats in your car, you can use this to clean up spillages around the house on the carpets, the rugs, your upholstered three-piece suites. Yeah, you're definitely going to be using this machine quite a lot, particularly if you've got pets and kids. So I hope you find this video useful then. If you have, please smash that like button. Also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, if you're new to the detailing industry and you've just stumbled across this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll put a button just up here for you now. And I'll put a couple of videos below that I think you might like, around here somewhere. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, we'll see you in the next video.